Alright, so today's going to be September 16, 2019, which is a Monday. So this is my first week being live completely for the whole entire week. Monday is today, and I did not take a trade. I just couldn't really find anything I really liked. And then coming back now, at the end of the day, I guess there was one specific trade I could have taken, but let's kind of go over the watch list, the lack of watch list, and kind of like what I saw in the moves and stuff. So we have SLB on watch. As you can see, the pre-market patterns not really looking the best. We had NEWR again. Look at this pre-market. It's just super like gappy and no volume at all. So not really that really interested to be trading this. This is the one I kind of liked the most was AIMT. See, this doesn't look too well, but then as you can see here, volume starts to come in. We start getting better price action, which is very, very good. I like that. Then we had UAL here, just absolutely nothing happening in the pre-market. But this is literally all that was happening in the pre-market, and I need to put some sort of a watch list on. So this is the stocks I chose. Like I said, not really the best. So when you look at AIMT, I was looking at this to take a trade in the morning in the AM, and basically what happened was this just kind of fell off super, super fast. Actually, this is a minute, so let me go to 30 seconds, see if you can find it better. It can look a little bit better there. So look at this. Within 30 seconds of the opening bell, this stock opened at, let's say, $26, went up to $26.80, and then all the way back down to $25.30 within 30 seconds of the candle, which is kind of crazy. I'm not looking to trade within the first 30 seconds, or even the first minute. But the first minute, the stock had moved a huge amount, so I wasn't really that interested. Just really, really big, and then the spread was huge. We had like a 30-cent spread to a 35-cent spread. Just not something that I wanted to put my money in and risk. It kind of just jumping up 30 cents on me for no reason, absolutely, for it just being the spread. So when we come back here, I was looking at it to kind of go in for a 5-minute opening range breakdown, and just again, I decided not to take it just because this was a huge candle, and then we also had that huge spread, and I did not want to trade against the spread, so I let that one go. And as you can see, actually, it didn't really work. It worked a little bit, but not the way I was going to anticipate. I was anticipating, another big sell-off candle like this, or like that half size of this. This is just not really the best price action. You're gonna wait 2 hours to get nothing. So that was that. And then if you look at everything else, this was just chopping the whole entire day. Horrible. This I ended up taking it off the watch list halfway through the day because it's not really doing anything. Horrible. And then this is the one trade that I kind of missed, but not really. I guess I need to playbook this trade. So as you can see, this stock was gapping down, and we have this big green candle, kind of pushes up, kind of gets below VWAP, but it holds. So we have this holding pattern right there. Hold, gets above VWAP, comes back, holds again. As you can see here, one more time, holds. So it's pushing above VWAP, makes a higher low, pushes up, makes a lower high, but that's okay because it's holding again. And then we push up above VWAP. Now this time, as it comes back, it holds VWAP this time. Holds VWAP even better. So we have holding, it's holding, and then it's holding here. And once it holds VWAP, it starts to push up above it. You could have gotten long. So you could have gone along somewhere, right above that candle. Throw your stop somewhere here. So this could have looked something like this. So entry could have been 52.13 with a stop at 51.66, roughly around there. And we have this huge move coming up. As it pulls back and pushes up, you could have added in this position here. And we have this huge move that goes all the way up to 57.50, let's say. It's kind of like 5 points right there, which is a crazy move. This was a great move. I didn't see it happening at the time. This just looked like it was choppy, like it was going to be like UAL. So as you see UAL here, this is what I was expecting to come from this, from NEWR, but it didn't. We actually had a great move. So let's just playbook the trade. Sometimes when you get this choppy action, as it starts to look like it's going to push through the chop and push through the high of day, it's a good entry and a good time to kind of start a trend trade. So we'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully we have some better stocks on watch and have some better price action and better moves.